Your doctor put you on a low-carb diet because you're pre-diabetic, but they won't tell you what not to eat. I'm going to tell you what not to eat. Cereal, grits, oatmeal. If you want to keep your blood sugar low, you only want to eat 30 grams of carbs per day. The easiest way to do that is to eat a high-protein breakfast. Grits, cereal, and oatmeal has 29 grams of carbs. Bet you didn't know that. Let's stay healthy together. I know a lot of y'all don't know how to make guacamole. Let me show you how to make guacamole. It's so easy. All you got to do is add some chilies, hot chilies, just to spice it up. You see that? Just a little bit. Smash it up and add some salt and pepper. You know what? I don't even have to show their faces because y'all are very familiar with these products. Because y'all eat one or the other every day. If you are pre-diabetic or diabetic, you need to lock these up and throw away the key. Your doctor put you on a low-carb diet but didn't tell you what not to eat. How about cereal? 33 grams of carbs. Where's the protein? 3 grams of protein. How about this oatmeal over here? Somebody replied to my last video and said they disagreed with the oatmeal. Okay. Total carbs. 27 grams of carbs. Okay, how about the grits? Total carbs. I don't know if you can see that, but it says 29 grams of carbs. If you are pre-diabetic, you're only supposed to have 30 grams of carbs per day. You do the math. Let's stay healthy together. Y'all thought this was dinner, but this is breakfast. No, I didn't cook all this morning. This is leftovers from last night's dinner. I got me some barbecue chicken, some salad. I did boil these eggs this morning for the extra protein. Some guacamole. If you haven't tried guacamole on top of your eggs, you're missing out. And olives, of course. I threw those in because they are low in carbs. And if you're having trouble with brain fog, those are your best friend. You can go ahead and put some ranch dressing on top of your salad. Because guess what? It doesn't have but 1 gram of carbs. You don't have to eat cereal, oatmeal, and grits every morning. Utilize your leftovers. If you have to cook an extra piece of meat for your protein in the morning, do it. It's worth it.